Hello friends, welcome to Vasu Creations. Today I would like to discuss about the topic silent letters. I think it is very known and common topic to everyone. Up to now we have seen silent letters in many words in the process of reading, listening, speaking and writing. I think most of the persons how they remember or identify the silent letter means whether by reading or listening or speaking a word number of times. I think only few persons know the conditions or rules behind every silent letter and on which conditions the letter will not pronounced and supposed to be silent. And also remember one point, English is an exceptional language. That means in English most of the cases follow the rules, but in some special cases it doesn't follow the rules. And in English language there are some rules to explain the conditions behind every silent letter. Let us see the conditions for the silent letters. Let's start the video with letter B. The letter B is usually not pronounced in two conditions. The first condition is B is not pronounced after M at the end of a word. If you see the examples, cum, thumb, climb, crumb, lamb, etc. If we observe the above words, then we will find out in every word the last letter is B and it came after M. If we see the next condition, before the letter T, the B will not pronounced and supposed to be silent. Let's see some of the examples: doubt, subtle, dead, etc. If we observe the above words, in every word the B will came before T and it supposed to be silent. The next letter is C. The first condition or rule 1 is after S or in the combination of SC, C will suppose it to be silent. For example, scissors, ascent, fascinate, muzzle, etc. If we see the above words, then we will find out in every word there is a SC combination. In the combination, S is pronounced and C is not pronounced. And if we see the next condition, C will not pronounce if it came before K or Q, like log, block, acknowledge, acquire, and acquit, etc. If we see the above words, then we will observe in every word C is silent before K or Q. The next letter is D. If you see the conditions, the condition 1 is the letter D is silent when it appears before and after N. If you see the examples, Wednesday, sandwich, handkerchief, handsome, etc. In all the above words, then we will find out before and after N, D is kept as silent. The next condition is when it appears before the G, then D will kept silent. If we see the examples, pledge, grudge, catch, hedge, badge, etc. In all the above words, D is silent before G. The next letter is E. The letter E is silent when it is at the end of the words. Let us see the examples: sight, hide, grave, drive, etc. If we see the above words, then we will find out the last letter is E and it is not pronounced. If we see one more condition, E will not pronounce when it came before D in some cases. If you see the examples like bored, fixed, tired, struggled, etc. In all the above words, then we will find out the letter E is before D is silent. The next letter is G. If you see the condition, the letter G is not pronounced in the combination of GN when it occurs at the beginning and ending of a word. If we see the examples, design, foreign, sign, align, Nash, etc. In all the above words, In GN combination, the G is not pronounced and it is kept as silent. And if the GN combination occurs at middle of the word, then G is pronounced. If we see some examples, magnet, igneous, signature, etc. If GN combination occurs at beginning and ending, then only the G is not pronounced. The next letter combination is GH. If you see the condition is GH is not pronounced when it comes after a vowel in word such as high, light, thought, through, etc. If we see the above examples, then we will find out GH combination after a vowel is silent. The next letter is H. Let us see the condition for H. The letter H is silent when it appears after W. If you see the examples what, why, when, where, which, etc. But in this case, some exceptions are there. If O came after WH, in this case, H is pronounced. Let us see some examples whom, whose, whole, who, etc. And also H is not pronounced at the beginning of many words like our, air, honest, etc. The next letter is K. If we see the condition for K, the K is always silent when it precedes the letter N in a word. For example, knife, knock, night, knowledge, know, etc. If we observe the above words, then we will find out the letter K before N is silent. The next letter is L. If we see the condition, L is not pronounced when it succeeds the vowels like A, O, U and preceding any consonant. If you see the examples, palm, could, should, folk, yoke, etc. In all the above words, we will find out L is placed before consonant and after a vowel. Then it indicates that L is a silent letter. The next letter is N. If we see the condition, at the end of a word, N is not pronounced when it comes after a M. Let us see the examples column, condemn, autumn, solemn, etc. In all the above words, the N came after M and N is considered as a silent letter. The next letter is P. If we see the condition, P is not pronounced at the beginning of many words using the combinations PS, PT and PN. To give you an idea, let me say some examples psychology, terrain, pneumatic, etc. If we see the above words, the letter P before the S, T and N at the starting of the words is silent. The next letter is S. If we see the condition, in some of the words S is silent before L. Let us say island, islet, etc. In above words, the S is silent before L. The next letter is T. Let us see the condition for T. T is not pronounced in most of the words when it came after S at the middle of the word. If you see the examples, whistle, Christmas, listen, etc. In all the above words, T after S is considered as a silent letter. The next letter is U. If we see the condition, U is silent when it comes after G and before vowel in a word. If we see the examples, guide, guest, guard, guess, etc. In all the words, U is came after G and before vowel, then it indicates that U is a silent letter. The next letter is W. If we see the condition, W is not pronounced at beginning of word when it is before the letter R. If we see the examples, right, rest, wrong, etc. And also W is silent in the words which starts with WHO. If we see the examples, whom, whose, whole, etc. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel for more videos.